Hi, if you want to enable always on display on your Huawei Band 9, then you will need to find this button on the right side of your band first and press it to go in the apps menu. So here select the settings, after that go in the watch face section and you will see this feature always on display. So just tap it, and if you want to enable it you will need to tap on the switcher like that, and notice that when enabled battery life will be reduced to about 3 days. If you agree with that, just confirm the changes by tapping the check mark. And now, always on display is enabled. Here you can also add features raised to show always on display or raised to show watch face. So just use this button to go back. And here is how always on display looks. So you can still see the time and the day. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.